During the onboarding process, you have the opportunity to connect your repository and set up a project. However, if you skip that during the onboarding, you can always do that when you sign in and go to the front page. In here, you will be prompted to connect your project by going to the team settings. In here, you want to connect your GitHub, and you can do that by giving a personal access token or by connecting the app to your GitHub. Once your GitHub is connected, you can select the repo that you want to set up as a new project. As a reminder, a project always has a one-to-one connection relationship with a repo. You can rename your project or let it stay the same name as your repo. Go ahead and click Create Project. Once your project is created, it will sync the pipelines and it may take a few minutes.